Hi, I'm Kendall Summerhawk of KendallSummerhawk.com. Before I started working with Melanie, I had a good business going, but I was working a lot of hours, and I was really truly the bottleneck in my business. And I was the bottleneck because I had not empowered my team to make the kind of decisions that they really could make on my behalf. And so what was happening is they were coming to me for everything, and I was just buried with requests and demands and things from my team. And it was really keeping me from being able to focus on my marketing and being able to really focus on making the big leaps forward that I knew I could make with my business. And so one of the things that has just been a huge mindset shift for me has been to really be able to step into and claim fully the power of being the CEO of my business. And I really learned that where I used to spend my time was in all the wrong areas, because it was the kind of activities that kept my business at the low six figures and not the activities that would escalate my business into the seven-figure mark, which is where I am now. So thanks to Melanie, in the first year of working together, I tripled my income. In the second year of working together, I doubled my income. I'm now into seven figures, and I know that this next year I'm going to turn that into multiple seven figures.